France, Germany, and Wichita, September 2025. This Thursday in France, September 4th, thunderstorms hit across France. In the Loire region, heavy rainfall and hail hit the town of Saint-Chamond, flooding some streets. Heavy rainfall also hit Isère, Drôme and Ardèche with 20 to 40 millimeters in less than an hour, and up to 50 to 80 millimeters in 1 to 3 hours. Météo France said in its bulletin published at 10 a.m. this morning. In the early afternoon in Saint-Chamond, in the south of the Loire department, videos showed a flooded street, making traffic difficult. Meteorologists also predict a risk of hail and wind gusts of around 80 to 100 kilometers per hour, followed by the dissipation of the storms by the end of the afternoon. On its Facebook page, the city posted photos of the hail that fell during the downpours. City officials were deployed to collect all the hailstones that covered the roadway, using brooms, shovels, and clearing equipment. The town hall is also warning residents that further downpours are expected in the area this afternoon. A yellow thunderstorm warning has been issued in the Loire until 9 p.m. this Thursday. Not only that, severe thunderstorms with heavy rain, hail, and strong gusts also hit Lyon and the Rhône region this Thursday afternoon. Around Lyon, hail could also hit the areas of Pusignan-Rhône, Vienne-Isère, Bourgoin-Jallieu-Isère, and Meximieux-Ain. While hail should spare the rest of the Rhône, the entire department could be affected by sometimes violent storms in the afternoon.
Hail, so big!
A severe storm hit the Bocholt district of Mussum on Wednesday evening, September 3, 2025. A residential building was particularly hard hit, with its roof structure completely destroyed by the strong gusts. Fortunately, no one was injured. However, the extent of the destruction has led to a suspected tornado in Bocholt Mussum, which the German Meteorological Service, DWD, is currently investigating. Around 9 p.m., the storm swept across the south of the city. In Mussum, a single-family home was so badly damaged that it is now uninhabitable. 4 neighboring houses and a mobile home also suffered damage. Fallen trees also blocked streets and properties. The roof of the affected house is considered completely destroyed, a damage pattern that experts believe could well indicate a whirlwind or tornado.
We have a hailstone. Kayo.
The Bocholt Fire Department was on duty with around 50 firefighters until midnight. They cleared debris, secured the damaged buildings, and cleared the streets of fallen trees. In addition to the affected residential building, neighboring buildings also had to be protected from further damage. Thanks to their quick response, Worse was prevented. Bocholt Mussum is not an isolated case. Other regions of West Munsterland have experienced similar extreme weather events in recent years. The suspected tornado in Bocholt Mussum once again demonstrates the importance of preparedness and rapid response. The public remains anxious to see whether the German Weather Service, DWD, will actually confirm the event as a tornado.
Stay, Brad.
Meanwhile in Wichita, hailstones the size of baseballs pummeled the area on Wednesday night in a severe thunderstorm. The storm tracked south from Salina and hit the Wichita metro area around 7:45 p.m. Residents wasted no time sending in their pictures of the photogenic storm. The storm caused some damage to vehicles, as we received photos of shattered windshields and sunroofs caused by the varying sizes of hail. Another resident said, "Pita golf ball-sized hail damaged windshields, sunroofs, and even some pots and plants across Kansas on Wednesday." In Marion County, residents reported that a portion of the Elyria School's roof was blown off. The school said classes were canceled for Wednesday so storm cleanup could begin. The storms knocked out power to about 5,000 people in the Wichita area. A majority of the power was restored by 10 p.m. The storms unleashed massive, destructive hailstones across the region. Officials confirmed significant property and vehicle damage throughout the city. The National Weather Service issued urgent severe thunderstorm warnings. These alerts remained active for Wichita, Derby, and Hayesville until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The storm system had a long history of producing extreme weather. According to the National Weather Service, it generated golf ball to baseball-sized hail. Damaging winds also accompanied the severe weather, reaching up to 75 miles per hour in some areas. This powerful supercell moved from McPherson toward the Wichita metro area. It was forecast to reach Valley Center in North Wichita around 7:30 p.m. The storm prompted immediate warnings for residents to seek safe shelter. Residents quickly shared videos and photos of the alarming event online. The footage showed relentless hail and powerful winds hitting the city. These posts provided real-time evidence of the storm's intensity and scope. The hail caused extensive damage across North Wichita. Reports cited smashed car windows and dented vehicle bodies. Property damage was also significant in several communities, including Halstead and Park City. The storm also brought localized flooding. Flooding was notably reported near Broadway in Park City. The event serves as a stark reminder of the powerful severe weather typical for the region.